It seems that we might be getting an on-display fingerprint scanner with the Galaxy Note 9 after all. Vivo has just launched a phone with a crazy selfie capability, at least in paper, and Apple is planning a new approach to manufacturing to avoid all the issues with the iPhone X. I'm Jaime Rivera, and can you smell Friday? Because I can. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for the essential phone, this is probably the best time to buy, as Best Buy currently has it for $449. That's a crazy price tag. The catch is it's only available for the black and the white models. Still, those are my favorite ones anyway. Other official news have to do with Vivo. The company continues making headlines after the whole in-display fingerprint scanner thingy that it showed us. And now we have the Vivo V9 being announced. It's got the notch that we heard of, but we hear that there is a purpose for the notch, as apparently the selfie camera is of 24 megapixels. That is insane, but then specifications are pretty much what you would expect from a premium mid-ranger. Snapdragon 626 from Qualcomm in addition to 6 gigs of RAM and everything else. You can learn more about it in the description. Now let's move the spotlight over to Instagram. Believe it or not, it is my favorite social network, pretty much the only one I use. Follow us on Pocketnow in case you want to see our stories. But I was really upset with the whole change with the algorithmic way of seeing stories and, new posts. But the company got so much feedback that it's changing it. Now there's going to be a new post button, and that will pretty much bring everything in the order that we had before, which I love. So yeah, it seems that the company is, waking up and smelling the coffee. Now let's move the spotlight over to Apple, as I think the company is aware that it has not had a good time with the iPhone X, but a lot of the issues that hindered sales for the iPhone X had mainly to do with manufacturing problems, the whole issue that happened with Face ID. And so as it turns out, apparently Cupertino is going to have a trial manufacturing process happening over the next couple of months in order to ensure that it is capable of delivering as many iPhones as consumers want whenever these get launched. That's all fine and dandy. Let's just see if that also means cheaper iPhones. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. As, we had trusted sources claiming there was no in-display fingerprint scanner. Now we've got other sources that are unnamed that claim that it is going to happen. Apparently this is an industry source that claims that we will be getting the technology on the Galaxy Note 9, which is great. I feel that the Note should be that vanguard phone that brings all the innovation, but that hasn't really been the case for the last couple of years. So yeah, apparently Samsung is working on this. We should expect the Galaxy Note 9 as soon as late August. So in today's question, let us know. Would you be okay with the Galaxy Note 9 being just another S9 with a pen? Or would you like new features like this in-display fingerprint scanner and everything? Obviously, I kind of know the answer. It's just I know a lot of people that really don't want it to change from the S9 design. So leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. I want that on-display fingerprint scanner. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on PocketNow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review rebuttal of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.